Hi YouTube. I just came on right quick to do the week 6 update for the Sizzling Summer Weight Loss Challenge group. Um, Everything is going good so far. Right now, my weight is flexing between 184.5 and 186. So that's the fluctuation this week between 2 days ago and this morning. When I went to the gym this morning, it was 183.5. And when I weighed before I went to the gym at home, it was 186. So I'm going to go with between 183 and 186. That's my weight right now. So everything is going pretty good so far. I just wanted to come on right quick and give you all an update on what's going on. I do notice that I have lost inches more so than pounds, and that is great. We have like 2 more weeks into this challenge, so I think what's going to happen is I'm going to do my measurements on the last week of the challenge along with the weight, and that way we can have a more accurate measurements and everything for the challenge, for the end of the challenge. I hope everybody is doing well, and I think that's about it. And I will be talking to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.